Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to get connects in Upwork for free. So first things first, you need to sign into your account and then go to your profile and then go to connects, this one right here. Now after that, what you're going to do is select the Buy Connects option, and then here what you're going to do is simply put the promo code that you have and just simply click the apply button. Now promo codes are often provided through Upwork promotions, email newsletters, or special events, so keep an eye on these offers. Also, Upwork occasionally gives free connects when a freelancer completes specific milestones such as getting their first job or being invited to interviews. If no promo code is available, you can buy connects through Upwork's marketplace or participate in their free connects campaign. And then that's it guys, I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.